everyone, so today I'll be doing a mini vlog. I'll be going to a cooking studio right now at Pavillion. It is basically a baking workshop, so I thought it may be fun for you to see how a workshop works and how it looks like. It's my first time and I can't bake. I never really learned to bake, and baking is something that really tests your patience and accuracy, which I'm not really good at, so I think this workshop would benefit me a lot. And yeah, and I'll bring you along with me, and hopefully everything goes well. Didn't get to vlog much just now because you had to be really focused and determined and very attention to detail when you're baking. I didn't get to vlog much, I'm so sorry. However, the entire experience, if there's a 5-star, I would give a 4-star because of the experience and the price. To be very honest, most of the recipes they have, some of the recipes they have, it can be found on Google, and you can definitely make your own cake at home with a lower budget. The first trial lesson was 70 ringgit, and I think the workshop is much more suited for people who are busy and you have zero expertise when it comes to baking, which is me. Hence, I went there. Would I go back to ABC Cooking Studio again? Yes, I would. They do have special recipes and very unique recipes where you can't really make at home sometimes. I would go back to ABC, but maybe not 10 years, 5 years experience. They have worked in 5-star hotels before. You get to ask a lot of questions. So the money really lies on their experience, and I highly recommend everyone to try it out if you... So it is another new day, and I've packed up the cheesecake right there because I baked the cake mainly to get the experience and give it to the people I love, and somehow there are 2 people in my lives that really love cheesecakes, so I can't wait to give it to them later. This cooler bag from Inside Scoop. So I'll be seeing this friend at night, so I think I should put it in first. The ice pack that you get for free sometimes, you could recycle it. And I'll be seeing her in a few more minutes, so it's the tallest here. Forks, just in case, we always have to be well prepared for anything. So yeah. I really hope they like it. This is for you. Hope you like it. The way to surprise the next person with the cheesecake I made, so I hope she likes it because she really loves cheesecake. And thank you for giving me a lift. I'm waiting for her. I can't see her yet. Is it you?
Yes,
hi, this is for you.
Oh, thank you very much.
A few days vlog. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Bye.